Early signs of a dental disease. Most of the diseases pertaining to your teeth and the gum could be identified at the earliest and it could be fixed as well. But what's very unfortunate is that we wait until tooth pain arises. Once if you start with a toothache or there is mobility of teeth, that is shaking of teeth, then it means that the dental issue is quite severe and it needs some kind of a treatment. So what are the early signs that you could look for? Hi, this is Dr. Jayalakshmi, Mithran Dental, Adyar, Chennai. One of the early signs is that white spots on the teeth. Initially, when a tooth decay is happening, it does not directly start with a brown or a black lesion. It starts as white spots wherein the demineralization of the tooth occurs, and this is the initial stage of the tooth decay. Now, these white spots could be arrested then and there by simply using a fluoridated toothpaste and a fluoridated mouthwash. I have spoken about these white spots lesions in detail in another video. I will leave the link for that video in the description box and you could check there. Other thing is that sensitivity of the teeth. Whenever you're having sensitivity, it indicates that either there is wearing away of the tooth or there is a tooth decay. So if you're getting it checked at that earliest, then it could be simply that you do a filling and it gets arrested then and there. Or if you leave until pain, only if you ignore the sensitivity, slowly it turns into pain, and only when pain arises, you land up in a root canal treatment, crown, etc. So whenever you're having a sensitivity, get it checked at the earliest. Other thing is that food lodgement. If in case you are having food particles get stuck quite often between your teeth, it is a classical sign that you might be having cavity in between the teeth. So if in case you are having food lodgement between your tooth, get it checked so that it could just get arrested by having just a dental filling. Another thing is that bleeding from the gums. Suppose if in case you are brushing your teeth and you happen to see bleeding in your gums, or you're biting on a firm object and you get to notice when there is bleeding in the gums, then in such a case that you are starting with the gum disease. Now just getting a scaling done at the early stages of the gum disease will resolve this issue. Other thing that you could notice is bad breath. If in case you're having bad breath, it indicates that you have a cavity that is accumulating a lot of food debris inside, or you're starting up with a gum disease, or it's that you're having an impacted wisdom tooth which is accumulating food debris inside the gum. So in such a case, you're having a bad breath. It's also one of the classical signs that you're starting up with some kind of a tooth or a gum issue. So these are the classical signs that you could look for, and these are the early signs that you could look for in a dental disease. I hope the information that which I have provided is of help to you. I will meet you in another video with more insight on dental health. Thank you. Bye.